This is a fully 3D printed car. The tires were printed in TPU. The rims in PLA. The model was designed by Daniel Nori. Check out his website for more. The parts can be downloaded from the link in the description. Many parts were updated over the last few years. There's also a step file to check all parts in 3D. This is the 3D model of a newer version. The model is a part of the OpenRC project by Nori. The helmet can be downloaded from the link in the description. I use it as home decoration. But it's suitable as a radio-controlled car. This is a fantastic project when you're into 3D printing. Don't miss it. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.